Hi, I'm Tainee and I'm from Aurora Middle School. Today we are going to be showing you equations, and a blue pawn equals x, a white pawn equals the opposite of x, a green cube equals a negative constant, and a red cube equals a positive constant. Together, the white and blue pawn equal a pair of zeros. For our problem, we have 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. You can only take away the same thing from both sides. So if you have a white and a blue pawn, you can't take them away because they're not equal. So first we're going to start by taking away things that are equal. You got to use two hands to take away the same thing from each side. So altogether, we could take away 3 pairs. Now we want to get rid of the 2 to isolate the x's. So since these two are the same, we can take away from each other. And 10 minus 2 is 8. So right now we have 8 equals 2x. We're going to divide by each to get x alone. So if you divide both of these sides by 2, we get x equals 4. For our second problem, we have negative 10 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 2. So first we're going to see if we can take anything away from both sides. And the answer is no. So we're going to have to add a pair of 0. And I personally like to work with positives better, so we're going to add 3 positives to each side of the equation. Now these are a pair of 0, so we can take them away. Now we want to get the pawns alone, so we're going to add positive 10 to each side. These are a pair of zeros, so we can take those out. And 10 plus 2 is positive 12. So then you want to divide by 4 on each side to get the x alone. So 4 divided by 4 equals 1, and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So our answer is x equals 3. For my final problem, we have 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x plus negative 1. So first, like all the other problems, we're going to see what we can take away. We can't take these 2 away because they're not equal. We can't take these 2 away because they're not the same. And we can't take these 2 away because they're not the same. However, we can take away things that are the same. So we can take away these, and these. Now, we want to get rid of this x, the opposite of x. So we're going to add a positive x to each side. These equal a pair of zeros, so we can take those out. Now to get these x's alone, we got to get rid of the negative 1. So we have to add positive 1 to each side. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. And we can take these away because they're a pair of 0. Now we're going to divide by 3 to get x alone. So 3x divided by 3 equals x, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So x equals 2. Thanks for watching.